What are you baking today? Apple, it's a pineapple. Pineapple, you say pineapple. Pineapple upside down. Cake. Cake. So we have to do some mixing, don't we? So Alice has got her instructions here. So first, what does it say? Mix the butter, yeah, with the sugar. So for this first bit, we're going to use this butter here, and we're going to use the brown sugar. Where's the brown sugar? Can you see the brown sugar? So over here, look, we've got brown sugar and white sugar, haven't we? We're going to use the brown sugar first. And Alice is going to mix them together in a bowl. There you go, darling. Mix away. Sugar and butter. So next we can tick that off because we've done that step. So we've mixed the butter and sugar in the bowl. So what's next? Next we have to spread the mix at the bottom of a cake tin. So here's our cake tin. So Alice is going to put the mix and spread it around. So to do this, we've got a spoon. Probably a bit easier to do it with a spoon than with a knife. And in case it gets stuck, we've got 2 spoons. We have to do next. What's the next? What's the next instruction? Put the pineapple on top of the butter mixture, the butter and sugar. So now Alice is going to put the pineapple on top and I'm going to spread it all out nice and neatly. Remember to wash our hands before we started. There we go. Okay, so we've got our pineapples on top of our mixture. So next we have to make the cake. So what do we do next, Alice? We have to get the bowl again. The bowl, and this time we're going to mix the rest of the butter. Here's the butter, the rest of the butter. It does say in the recipe to try and get the butter nice and soft. And what else do we need to put in? This time we're going to put in the white sugar. The white sugar. So here is our white sugar. There you go. Do you want to add that to the bowl? We're going to mix them together like before. So next, we need to mix in the eggs. You had eggs for breakfast, didn't you? Alice had eggs for breakfast today. She had eggs with cheese and ham. But now we're going to put our eggs with our butter and our sugar to make our cake. So Alice, can you break the eggs? Here's our eggs. We need 2 eggs. So 2 eggs into our mix. 1 and 2. Put our shells in there for now. Alice is very good at breaking eggs. Okay, so now we need to do more mixing. Tick that off. And what's next on the list now? It says, oh, now we need the sieve. The sieve. So we're going to sieve our flour into the bowl. So here's our bowl, and we're going to sieve in the flour. Are we ready? What do we have to do, Alice? Give it a shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. This is the fun bit. Okay. And can we tick that off? We've done that? Sieve. But we've got 2 more things to add before we stir it. We've got to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm going to get you your teaspoon here, a measuring cup, that's okay. It's a strange top, that one, isn't it? Oh, is there any left in the bottom? Alice has to go right to the bottom to fill her scoop. Can we try and fill the scoop in one go? That's it, perfect. Finished? So we've got 1 scoop of baking powder, and we've also got to add in some almonds. I don't know if they'll go through the sieve, but shall we try? The flour mix in there. We're going to stir this time with a spoon. It nice and light. So we're going to use our spoon to just gently stir it all together. So the pineapple juice in the bottom of the tin, and I think that's going to make it nice and caramelised with the sugar and the butter, so I think that'll make it really, really, really tasty. Okay, do you want to pour this over? That's it, spread it out so it's a little bit everywhere. Ready to go into the oven. So Alice is going to tick off that we've poured the cake over the pineapple, and we're going to put it into the oven. And we're going to let it bake, and we're going to see you later.